Hello everyone, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here in Charlestown. My name is Tomas. With us today we have a beautiful BMW i4 in metallic orange. This beautiful car comes with adaptive BMW LED headlights as well as 18-inch diamond capped M Sport alloys. Towards the front we can see the iconic kidney grills on this electric orange BMW i4, as well as the M Sport badge on the side, the black gloss trims, as well as the privacy glass on the rear mirror windows. As well as we come to the back, you can see the automatic open and close boot with plenty of space on the back, here on the sides, as well as below for all the cables. This boot also automatically closes. Towards the back seats we can see these beautiful leather and Alcantara seats with 4 security system ISOFIX. On the back seats, LED headlights all around the car, as well as storage space on the side doors, some climate control system, as well as an armrest. On the front seat we can see also the Alcantara and leather seats, as well as the M Sport black leather steering wheel. On the steering wheel we have all the cruise control, as well as the media settings and controls. On the center we have the M Sport cluster, as well as on the middle we have all the media, the navigation, and this car also have rear camera and sensors, as well as reversing assistant. Towards the center console we can see our cup holders, the space to store the phone, as well as all the control of the media, navigation, telephone, and plenty of storage space here on the front. On the sides, this also has come with open and close mirrors, automatic mirrors on all the doors, as well as decorative LED all around the car. This car is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy BMW website. All of our BMW approved used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you have any further questions or queries or wanted to book a test drive with us, my name is Tomas. Have a nice day, and please feel free to contact us here at Joe Duffy BMW. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.